In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quick view feature to your WooCommerce store. This feature is incredibly useful for enhancing the shopping experience on your site, allowing customers to quickly view product details without leaving the current page. Let's dive into the steps to set this up. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, locate the Plugins section on the left-hand side of your screen and click on Add New. This page allows you to search for a wide range of plugins to add various functionalities to your site. In the search bar, type in Quick View for WooCommerce. As you type, you'll see plugins that match your search appear. Once you find it, click Install to get it set up on your system. After the installation is complete, you'll need to click Activate to enable the plugin on your WooCommerce store. With the plugin activated, the next step is configuring it to your preferences. Navigate to WooCommerce settings. You'll find there's now a section dedicated to Quick View, or it might be integrated within the main settings. Here, you have several options to customize this feature to best fit your store's design and functionality needs. First, make sure to enable the Quick View button. This will turn on the feature across your store pages. After enabling, you have the option to position the Quick View button either before or after the Add to Cart button. This depends on your layout preference and what you think looks best visually. Next, take advantage of the customization options available. You can tailor the labels and colors to match your brand, ensuring a seamless look across your store. Additionally, there's the option to select a modal effect and overlay to enhance the appearance when users click the Quick View button. These small touches can make your product presentation look more polished and professional. Now consider which product fields you want to display in the modal window. This is a chance to think strategically about what information is most important to your customers at a glance. You may decide to include fields like product images, descriptions, or pricing. Whatever can help the customer make informed decisions quickly. For those more experienced with customization, there's an optional step where you can disable the Quick View feature on mobile devices or add your own custom CSS and JavaScript. This flexibility allows for advanced tailoring of the Quick View experience based on how your audience accesses your site. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. It's always a good idea to preview your store listings afterward to ensure that the Quick View button is appearing where and how you want it. This last step is crucial to catch any minor adjustments you might want to make before your changes go live. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and configured a Quick View button on your WooCommerce store. This feature should help streamline the shopping experience for your customers, potentially increasing conversions and sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!